Sport fastback, that's how French carmaker Alpine describes its hottest and newest product, the electric A390, revealed with great pump this week. It's a vehicle of many firsts, a racing car in a suit, if you will, that has all the proportions and looks of an SUV, Alpine's first. And we'll call it that, even if the French won't like it. The new arrival is meant to become the third model in the carmaker's range, joining the iconic, ice-powered A110 and the newer A290 to allow the company to reach the hearts and pockets of new customers. Although its design and size are unlike anything Alpine has ever done before, its electric powertrain is meant to preview the upcoming A110 EV. Alpine's core model is supposedly what inspired the design of the A390, and we can see references to that pretty much everywhere, both inside and outside. Unlike the sports coupe, though, this SUV can seat a total of 5 people. That's because the vehicle comes with dimensions that were never before offered by Alpine. It stands 4,615 mm long, 1,885 mm wide, and 1,532 mm high. Then, the roof angle is 17 degrees, making the SUV look particularly aggressive, while the rear window is shaped like a visor, boasting a discrete spoiler at its base. Alpine went for a unique design of the SUV's lights, which manifest themselves at the front as a cluster of illuminated triangles called in the carmaker's speak cosmic dust, with a matching layout at the rear. In fact, the same triangular motif can be found in the design of front bumpers. The A390 is propped on exclusive wheels that were supposedly inspired by endurance racing. 2 versions are on the table, either 20-inch gloss black diamond cut or 21-inch in snowflake style. I mentioned the wheels this early because it's what gets them spinning that really got us interested. That would be a trio of electric motors, one installed on the front axle and the other 2 at the rear, creating Alpine's first ever all-wheel drive system. The 2 motors at the rear work together to offer something the company calls active torque vectoring. What that means is that they differentiate the distribution of torque to the rear wheels depending on the steering angle and vehicle speed, correcting the slip difference and eliminating as much as possible under and oversteer. The motors draw power from an 89 kWh battery that should be good for a maximum range of 345 miles and can be recharged from 10 to 80% in under 25 minutes. There will be 2 versions of the A390 on the market, and each one comes with slightly different performance numbers. The 3 motors installed in the entry-level GT offer the driver the punch of 400 horsepower and an acceleration time from standstill to 62 miles per hour of 4.8 seconds. The top speed is set at 124 miles per hour. The more capable GTS, on the other hand, cranks out 470 horsepower and 808 Nm of torque, accelerating the SUV to the same threshold significantly faster, in 3.9 seconds. That's just as fast as the A110R. And it is faster when it comes to top speed as well, being able to reach 137 miles per hour. There are some other things setting the 2 models apart. The GT is propped on the 20-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels shod in Michelin Sport EV tires, which come with anodized brake calipers. It sports chrome logos, and is equipped with the Dieppe sound system comprising 13 speakers. The higher-spec GTS is propped on 21-inch forged wheels wearing Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. It uses the premium Dieppe Extreme sound system and offers the Alpine Telemetrics Expert system, together with the driving and parking pack that gives it semi-autonomous driving and automatic parking. The interior of the Alpine SUV is mostly common across the board, with the same blue color theme on both models, a nod to the A290, showing a mix of various materials, including Alcantara. The dashboard is dominated by 2 large screens, and a high center console is provided for convenience. A nice touch from the French carmaker is the fitting of colored aluminum buttons inspired by Formula 1. One of them is used to control the regeneration level, and the other can be engaged to boost power for overtaking. Alpine will make its first SUV at the facility in Dieppe, France, and will offer the A390 in 6 body colors, with the roof in the same hue as the rest of the body or in contrasting black. The exact price for the model was not announced, but the company said it should be between €65,000 and €76,000. The new French SUV should hit the market, but not the US one, at least for now in the 4th quarter of the year. The first people to get it will be treated to a set of exclusive limited edition Dieppe X Alpine earbuds.